Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I am making chicken and dumplings. Slight shortcut, I'm going to use some grand biscuits for the dumplings. This is so easy. I'm using 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to melt that down. Next, I'm going in with carrots and celery. Here's an onion and garlic. And now I'm going to cook this until my vegetables have softened a little bit, maybe about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, you can see that my vegetables have cooked quite a bit. So now we're going in with some flour. This is going to form a roux. And we're going to cook this for a few minutes just to cook that flour. Okay, now I'm going in with my broth. And I made this broth with better than bouillon. This is how I made the broth. It's 1 teaspoon per cup. It's real easy and handy to have around. So now I'm just going to mix this up. It's going to start to get thick. And let's add the rest of our ingredients. So now I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper and some Italian seasonings. Give that a mix. Next, I'm adding my chicken. And remember, the recipe is going to be in the description box. Okay, giving that a little stir. And now I'm adding some heavy cream. That's going to make it nice and thick. Okay, let that cook up for a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to let this come up to a boil, and you're going to see how thick it becomes. Beautiful. So now we're waiting for this to start coming up to a boil. This is when you're going to taste your soup. Taste it, see if you like the salt, if it needs a little bit more or so. I'll give you the basic measurements that I used. Some people don't like as much salt as other people, but taste it at this point and let it come up to a boil. So this is something I decided to do. I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric. It adds a pop of color. It just makes this beautiful, rich yellow color. And only a little bit. It's all stuck to my spoon. I'll get it to melt. But look, you can already see the beautiful yellow color it's become. So just let this continue to come up to a boil. So now this is a cheater recipe. I'm not making my own dumplings. I'm using the biscuits. A lot easier. Now a lot of people will cut them in quarters. You can do that. I want to cut them just a little bit smaller. They are going to double in size anyway. But I want to be able to get a small dumpling on my spoon. So this is the way I'm cutting it. But you can do it any way you want. You can cut them in 4s, whatever you want. So now let's add these to our soup. And you want to add them one at a time, otherwise they'll kind of stick. I think these two kind of stuck together. But just one at a time. So now you're going to cover your pot for about 15 to 20 minutes until those biscuits are cooked through. So here are my chicken and dumplings. I'm going to add a little bit of parsley, fresh parsley, just to give it some color. These are beautiful. It smells so good in here. I cannot wait to taste these. Basically, chicken and dumplings, it's cream of chicken soup with dumplings. And you can use biscuits, shortcut method, store-bought or homemade. I've also seen people use flour tortillas as their dumplings. You can do that. So let's taste this. Okay, you guys, right here, I have my chicken and dumplings. And you can see, I mean, I cut them quite a bit. A lot of people cut them only in fours, and I cut them more. Look how big this is. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is really, really good. Okay, chicken and dumplings. Kind of hot. Let's see. Oh my goodness, this is really, really good. Comfort food. It's cream of chicken soup, nice and thick, with the dumplings. Oh my goodness, these are so good. Chicken and dumplings. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time. Give me a thumbs up and press the little bell, the notification bell. If you want to get all my videos, they'll come straight to you. Bye. So good.